There's something about autumn, the way it teaches you to let go softly.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her.
Hello, friends. Today I'm chasing the edge of England to the white cliffs of Dover. I've seen photos, but they say the real magic begins when you hear the wind and feel the sea breathing below you. So I took a train from London Charing Cross to Dover Priory, a 90-minute journey, perfect location for a day trip from London. The moment I step out of Dover station, the first thing I notice is the air. Cleaner, colder, carrying just a hint of the sea. It already feels like a different world. The walk towards the cliff starts simple. Cozy streets, friendly locals, and this slow build of anticipation. You can't see the cliffs yet, but you can feel them calling you. Hey, hey. And then the town opens up into Dover Port. Ferries sliding across the channel, waves breaking against the docks, seagulls dancing on the wind. It's like a little preview of the adventure waiting ahead. The wind here feels different in autumn, colder, cleaner, as if it's sweeping away the last whispers of summer. The climb begins gently. Step by step, the world gets wider. The first glimpse stops you. Pure white cliffs carved by time, facing the endless blue. It's not just a view, it's a moment that humbles you. Every step feels like walking through centuries, through stories of hope, farewell, and return. You can almost hear the echoes of those who once stood right here watching ship fade into the horizon. And then you reach it, the full view. The cliffs drop straight into a blue so deep it almost doesn't look real. The wind rushes past, the grass sways, everything feels perfect. Every few meters, the scenery changes. New angles, new colors, new little moments of beauty. This place isn't just one view, it's a collection of stories written by the sea. Wandering cliffs in autumn somehow reminded me that change doesn't always mean loss. Sometimes it's just a quiet shift towards something more honest. Here on the edge of England, I feel the truth. I stop at one of the viewpoints and let time slow down. Just me, the cliffs, and the endless stretch of water. It's peaceful in a way that feels rare. Standing at the edge of England, the wind tastes of salt and history. And as I look across the channel, I'm reminded that every horizon begins with a single step towards wonder. If you ever need a place that instantly resets your mind, the White Cliffs of Dover it is. I'm not exaggerating, this place feels like a masterpiece painted by nature. Thank you for watching. If you like the location, hit the like and subscribe button and comment your view about the location.